man.
Oh man, oh man. Should I try flying out of here?
Come on, man, you got it.
It's like I'm crawling out.
How are you not exploding when you're hitting the walls all over?
It's cause I let go of the controls and it falls easier.
You gotta turn your blinkers on and back up. Use your back cam. Use your back cam.
I don't have a back cam.
It was a joke. Your backup camera. There you go.
Am I outside?
Yeah.
Alright, get in guys. I just wanted to see if I could do it and survive.
We blew up here.
Okay, should I try flying now?
Yeah.
We're doing you.
Roll, you go and then I'll go.
Oh, the enemy chopper.
Well, shotty. Oh, too late. Bam! Nice.
Not that way, man. Over here. The fight's this way.
Come on, roll. Yeah.
You guys get it? Enemy chopper?
I wonder if I can jump from this chopper to Daniel's. Do you think I can do it?
Oh yeah, let's try that one.
Go,
Got you.
Yeah, go up.
Yeah, get under me.
Tell me when I'm good, Dylan.
No, you're too far away. Gotta go under us.
Here, you jump out, Dylan, and I'll try and catch you.
Carol, can you go up more then?
Go.
Come on, there's nothing out there. Move back here.
Oh, I missed you.
I missed you. Just fall to your death. Yeah, are there choppers in this map too? Like on other bases that we just capture the base and get to the chopper?
I don't know. Not this
Hey,
one.
Daniel, fly above roll. Let's see if I can jump in.
Alright.
Okay, I won't be able to catch you.
Not that way. Come on, we need you over here.
I missed.
Okay, wait, Dylan, I'm gonna try to pick you up. Okay?
Alright,
This is something I'll need to figure out if I'm gonna need to find choppers.
chopper training right here.
Yeah, exactly.
I need
Where
an
the hell are you?
extraction, Raul. I need an
Okay,
extraction.
I'm gonna try this shit.
This is funny to watch from my screen. Alright.
Hold on, I'm gonna be able to do this. I can't let me to distraction.
Very nice, very nice.
Get the hell back here, soldier.
Bro,
You
it's been a
passed.
successful pickup.
Flight school.
Okay, now I'm going way up in the sky, and you're gonna dive down and land in Daniel's chopper.
Yeah, it's like I gotta be able to see you though.
Ouch. Here we go.
Oh, damn, you flew by him! It's gonna work.
Where is he?
On the rock.
Damn it. Oh, someone else came. We're gonna be fighting soon.
Hi. What's gonna happen? Do we lose our chopper and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Crispy nugget.
Yeah, crispy nuggets, motherfucker! That's cool. That's cool. Okay, I got a little bit of an idea how to fly a chopper now. I
Should we
think
do it
before
in a flame,
again,
then?
when you asked me to keep it in the sky, I can do it.
When I want to jump out and see 4 motherfuckers.
Yeah, yeah.